Hi everyone, Brian here from Black Ops Toys, coming at you today with a helmet build. So lots of people requesting stuff to be built. I have very little time to do this stuff right now, so we're gonna get it when we can. I'm actually making a figure. This is a custom Brian Panda, or Sully Panda. And I'm using the helmet from the new Easy and Simple 26038S with the quad eye NVG. So I'm gonna go and show you how to put this together and fit it on this character right here. This is the entire helmet that comes with the figure itself. The only thing I'm going to add is going to be this guy, which is a can of chew from XP003, or the Sully figure from Zert. So, helmet. Let's go ahead and look at it. Looks just like the real thing. It's got buckles, it's got bungee cords, it's got everything like the real thing. So, rail system. You can see the bucket. Now we have an NVG mount. So NVG mount, night vision goggle mount. You can see it comes with this guy right here. You can see how this fits. So you see this little guy right here? You can see it just goes in there, and then you just push it down. Sometimes it needs a little bit of help. Push it in there. So the object is to get this lip inside this rubber grommet right here. So sometimes it's a pain in the butt. Like this time, it's a pain in the butt. Alright, be careful not to break anything or get super frustrated. So, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go from bottom up. Okay, that's a pretty good fit. Okay. Now, what you'll notice is this guy right there slides down on this guy right there. There we go. Now, this right here will flip down. Oh. I'm going to cheat, so I'm just going to shave this a tiny bit. Now we have the battery box, which is going to go to the rear of the helmet. Then you have the NVG, which will slide on right here, like this. And then this goes up and down on the mount. We're going to use a glue dot on that guy to gum it up. Alright. First, we're going to run this wire. First, we're going to put Velcro on. How about that? Actually, really, first we're going to fit the helmet on the character head. I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to fit. You don't need to use all these things, but this helmet padding basically helps hold the helmet in place, but it also makes it so you don't scratch the paint on your figure. So I'm just going to put that guy right there. That's going to rest against the forehead right here. And I'm going to put one on top. Let's double check fit one more time. Throw that guy. And again, you don't have to use these in the shape they're in. You can cut them up if you want. But I'm just doing that so that it holds the helmet in the center. Okay. Lots of test fitting, lots of test fitting. And I'm just eyeballing it. Oh, crazy, crazy, I still eyeball stuff. All right, boom. Now, watch this. That didn't work very well. Here. So it doesn't really matter how it looks inside because you're never going to be able to see it. You just want to get a good fit on the figure. That's pretty damn good. Doesn't go anywhere. Heck yeah, look at that guy. Whoa, shitballs. Poops and squeaks. Taking the head off so that you can actually tie everything up now. Okay. Now we're going to do some of this. You can see how this goes right here, like that. So this is fabric and it does stretch, so be careful. Just want to peel it away ever so slightly. Get yourself a really, really good sharp scissors, or sharp, not scissors, tweezers. I have glue all over these. So the velcro is what holds the battery box on, and it's what holds the strobes and little accessories. Again, you don't have to use it. You can set it up however you want. This does stretch a little bit. You basically want to just make sure you get that first angle. Bam! Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to do just a big patch up top. There we go. Bam! Look at that. And we're just going to go right. Make sure it's semi-even. That looks really good. Look at that. Heck yeah. And again, nothing's perfect, so that looks really good though to me. Next, what else am I going to put on here? So let's go ahead and mount this guy. So the key is this wire right here. You don't want this to hang down, so you want to attach it to the helmet somehow. And I'll show you how I do that in just a second. All right, get that on there. Okay. Ideally, you kind of want to just run it along the side here, like that. Sometimes you have too much cord. Alright, so we are just going to do... We're just going to put this in the rail system right there. I'm going to take a glue dot, cut it in half. If you do this right, you shouldn't be able to see it very much. Looks fairly clean. This guy, I'm going to put right here. This is a strobe. There we go. Just a sticker on the back, sticky. And you can put it on however you want. It's looking good, looking really good. So I'm also going to glue dot. This. Let's take the other half of that, which is right there. I'm not talking because I'm concentrating. It's what I do when I think. I just don't talk or say anything. Bam! That's so sexy. Bam. And then, these right here are going to string right here. So these bungees actually hold the helmet in place. So it actually makes tension so that it flips up and stays, or it flips down and stays. Check this out. Now watch, they get tight. Let's test fit it real quick. That's what we're going for. So I would say that's a good fit. Now, do this. Now, normally you wouldn't have such a big beard to work with, but okay. at that, man. That's what I call happy panda right there. That looks pretty good. I'm just gonna throw this one more piece on here. I'm just gonna throw it on top. Bam! Everybody can get to the chew. This is so they can see you at night. These just have a little bit of sticky on the back. But that's a basic helmet build, so you guys can do it. It's tough, but once you do it and do it a couple times, you get good at it. Bam. And there you go. Okay. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified of new awesome content like this guy.